Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. So today we'll be playing extreme motorbikes. And so, hope y'all guys like it. And hope y'all guys enjoy. And if you want, y'all can download this game and play it. It ain't multiplayer and all, but you can still play it. And mostly, I have like most of the bikes. Because when you guys. So like when you first get the game, you get like tons of money. And the first vehicle you get is this. And then I have all these, and I have a supermoto. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And I have the best bike in the game. And today I only played this game a couple times, so we're gonna go exploring around the map. I don't want to spawn here. Sorry y'all guys, I'm not talking as much because I don't really like talking or whatever. Wait, what? Oh, there's cops on this game. Okay. I don't know all about this game. I just downloaded it. I already lost the cops. Last time I played this, I rode a wheelie for like a mile long. Oh, I'm trying to get out of first person. Alright. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Hope you guys enjoy. If I get at least to 100 likes, I'll post another video about this. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And if you want, my friend Levi, levitvyt gaming or whatever like that. Today is his birthday, so I'll put his thing in the link in the description. Hope you guys like it. And probably on it, cause he's probably making a video right now. And if y'all want, you can go comment on it and say happy birthday. Oh, shoot. Oh shoot. No, I didn't even see that. Just spawned out of nowhere. What does this do? Oh. I think this leads into the airport. If you hit it right, don't hit it like I did. Sorry if my voice is kind of cracking up, because today, when I woke up this morning, really didn't feel good. Dang, I hit that with a lot of speed. Shoot. And if y'all can, y'all can download this game All it is extreme motorbikes. I just did this for a mile long already. So like once you get a hang of it, like I'm over here holding the gas down. Once y'all get a hang of it, then y'all can like easily do it. And so it's very easy after a while. How in the world did I not fall off? In this video, like here in like a couple seconds or something, I'm just gonna go drive around without doing wheelies or whatever. And then we're gonna go build a bike. So there's cops, and they're once you go by them, like riding a wheelie, they get mad at you. So and you guys, I'm about to get a PC, so I will start like streaming like here in a while. So it'll be like next month. Next month's my birthday. So I'm guessing you can get on top of buildings, and they have jumps, and yeah. Alright guys, we're going to build a bike. Alright, hold on guys. Alright guys. So I really don't know what bike to build. I mean, we don't build, we're just customizing. I guess we'll customize this one. So body. We'll do white. Or yeah, we'll do white. And then rim color or pattern. New pattern. Oh guys, I think I'm gonna do that one. Oh, so you can be a police officer. I wonder if you'd be a police officer if they would like let you like not get pulled over or get the cops. Well, there's a girl and there's that dude. Oh, so I can have two people. It looks weird, but okay. Alright guys, let's go ride it. I wonder if that like second person's like when I fall off. I wonder if it's gonna fall off. Yo, what? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna run into this building and see if he falls off. Yo, like he falls off too. Right. Go to first person. So just like another supermoto. And you have to press the wheelie button. Wait, did he fall off? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah. Please leave a like and subscribe, because I have like 2 subscribers. If I get to 1,000, eventually I will start selling merch. No, I will like do a shout out to people or whatever, like I just did my friend. And hope you guys enjoy. Peace.